I'm using global superstore data, and I would like to see in which city did each customer spend the most in one sale, and which top city has the most customer. So first step is to calculate which customer name has the maximum sale, and then next step is for each customer with the maximum sale, which I have calculated earlier. This is the customer name and this is the maximum sale, and which city this sale was made. Actually, we will count city-wise distinct customer names with respect to their maximum sale, one of maximum sale. So, and finally, the result would be like this one. So, how to do this? Let's start. First of all, I'll bring the customer name, and then I will calculate max sale by each customer. Fixed customer name, max of sales, apply, OK, and we'll bring this into the visualization and we will sort it. So this is customer wise their maximum sale in one time. So now the next step is we need to calculate know in which city this activity or this transaction was happened. So now we'll go and calculate another calculation where max sales happened. So again we'll use this fixed LOD and we use the customer name, and we'll use again if statement. If sales is equal to max sales by each customer, then give me city and close the parenthesis. So this will give me error because we need to know what's the maximum. So we will wrap it into the brackets and put here max. So now my this calculation is valid. The sales is matching with the maximum sales by each customer. Then give me the city for that where sales happen. Apply, OK, and now we'll bring the city where this maximum sales happen. So for each customer the city name is now available. Now we will go and convert it into the visualization. It's very simple. We'll bring the customer name to the columns and we will convert it into count of distinct, and we will remove the sales and we will sort it, and we can put the count distinct as labels as well. So these are the cities where most customers made their top sales. Thank you very much.